Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make AI-based website full guide. Start by defining the primary user problem and pick one AI feature to prototype immediately. Set clear success metrics, choose data sources, and decide on hosted versus self-hosted models. Sketch user flows, required integrations, and basic UI components. This focused planning saves weeks of rework and will make development faster and more predictable. Decide whether you need a simple embed or a full custom model and match hosting to expected traffic and latency. Compare managed APIs and self-hosted frameworks for control, cost, and deployment complexity. Factor in data privacy, fine-tuning needs, and integration with authentication and databases. Prototype with a minimal endpoint first, then iterate based on user feedback and performance metrics to avoid costly rewrites later. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that save time and prevent spills during long coding sessions. They store lunches neatly and stack well in small fridges. Check the description for the link and deals, and grab a set if you want less hassle. Now let's get back to the video. Start with an MVP that has a single polished AI interaction and basic analytics. Use feature flags to roll out changes safely, and a /b test prompt variations and UI wording. Log inputs, outputs, and latencies to detect drift or bias quickly. Automate deployment pipelines, include health checks, and plan rollback steps. Iterate based on real user data to improve accuracy, usefulness, and trust in the product.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.